Hello everyone, welcome back for another Diecast Emporium scale model review. As you can see from the title and in front of you, we're going to take a look at a classic Norscot model. This is the Caterpillar D5K2 LGP track type tractor. For those of you that aren't familiar with what LGP means, it's an acronym. It stands for low ground pressure. And basically where the ground is really not suitable for a typical track type tractor or dozer because it may sink, they use these type of tracks to help spread out the weight and to stabilize the machine while it's working. So with that out of the way, I'm going to say this up front. This is one of the best dozer models that I have. I really like it, and it's a great addition to your collection for the price. The only issue is it may be a little bit harder to find now that Norscot is out of business. But let's go ahead and take it out of the box and take a look at it. It is, like I mentioned before, in 1 to 50 scale, so it will fit in with your construction collection quite nice. Let's get it out of here. There we are. Okay, so there are your tracks. They look quite well. The rollers are molded into the casting, so therefore they don't move. Your ripper on this model, at least in my model that I own, does not stay in the upright position, which can get a little annoying, but it does go down to a decent rip angle. And again, the cylinders are too loose for it to stay. As you can see, as soon as I let go, the model falls. The blade, on the other hand, will raise to that position, that height, and it does transverse back and forth. There's to the left, there's to the right. Looking straight ahead at the dozer, you can really get a good view of the angle that you can achieve with the blade. Up here you have your Caterpillar logo, 2 plastic hand and grab rails, a plastic exhaust, and a plastic windshield wiper. Moving over to this side of the machine, at the top you can read D5K2 LGP, right above the engine cover. And you have the Cat logo back here. Now, because this was a Norscot model, there's no operator inside the cab, so that's a plus point for many collectors who do not like him. On the back, you have the aforementioned ripper assembly, 2 lights, and a Cat logo. And also there's some highlighting detail on the AC unit up on top of the cab. Looking underneath, very basic. Just a couple screws to hold it together. The Norscot logo, and obviously your tracks. So, there it is, guys. A pretty simple review. I tend to love this model because I see a lot of the real version of this around where I live. It's a great little dozer to throw in a diorama, and as it's a D5, it's not massive, so you would, see a lot of these out on road construction sites or any place where they're clearing the land for a foundation to be dug for a building. And it's very reasonably priced as well. So as always, guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments whatsoever, you know where to leave them down in the comment section below. Until next time, take care, be safe, and we will see you soon.